Dear viewers of Madani channel, inshaAllah today we'll be learning about the blessed saintly miracles of Sayyidina Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu in his childhood. Taken from the booklet of Amir Ahl Sunnat, Dam Barakatun Aliyah, Corpse of a Child. Number 1. When the mother of Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu used to sneeze and say Alhamdulillah, she would hear the voice of Sayyidina Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu saying Yarhamukallah inside the womb. Number 2. On Monday, the 1st of Ramadan al-Mubarak, at the time of sunrise, Sayyidina Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu came into this world, and at that time his blessed lips were moving and the sound was coming from his lips, Allah, Allah. Number 3. On the day of his blessed birth, 1100 boys were born in the city of Jilan Sharif, and each one of them went on to become a wali of Allah Azza wa Jal. Number 4. Sayyidina Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu kept his first fast on the first day that he was born. He would not drink the milk of his blessed mother until after sunset, and he kept all the fasts of the month. Number 5. When Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu was just 5 years old, he went to the madrasa. He recited A'udhu Billah, Bismillah, and recited all the way from the 1st to the 18th Separa. The teacher said, "Son, read some more." Ghaus Azam radiallahu anhu replied and said, "This is all I know. When I was in the womb of my mother had recited up to the 18th Sipara, so I memorized this from her." Number 6. When he used to play, he would hear the voice saying to him, "O Abdul Qadir, you were not created to play." And number 7. When he used to go to the madrasa, he would hear a voice saying, "Make space and make room for the friend of Allah Azza wa Jal. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu alayhi wa sallam."
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह अज़्ज़ा वजल।